Hi, today I will show you the Flex 30 centimeter to 30 centimeter to 30 centimeter economical insect cage. This is all sides of the cage. Has two openings, the zipper as well as sleeve. The zipper is used to access the complete inner surface area. It is useful to keep potted plants, clean the surface, or to remove the plants that's kept into the cage. The top clear view panel is used for taking the photographs and viewers observations. The front sleeve is to access the inner surface area to clean, to release insects or to work with insects. The front sleeve comes with the closer, the tag closer that can be used for preventing insects coming out. Thank you.